Alright, so we're at the point where we're ready to create our first citation for our bibliography. Now, we need to go find a source. Let's pause for a minute and talk about searching on the internet. We all know that we could go to Google right away, but look what we're going to run into as soon as you type in your search terms. 1,300,000 something web pages. Let's take a break for Google for a minute and go visit Sweet Search. Now, Sweet Search, as it says, search engine for students. And let's remind you that it helps if you put quotation marks around groups of words that have to appear together, like George and Washington have to be together. Cherry and tree are words that need to be together. Now, what is this other thing down here I added at the end of the search? This is a little cheat code. Cite:/.edu. Look what this does for us. When I use that cheat code, it returns results that are only from websites that end in edu. That means websites from universities. Similarly, I can also type in cite.gov and the results will be the same. Every website is from a government publication. This is the Library of Congress, for example, and the National Archives, and the national parks. So that adds a lot of legitimacy and helps you know that you have filtered out and don't have to worry about the quality of your sources. Alright, so let's say we pick something from the National Archives and we're going to come up to a article from Prologue magazine in the National Archives. Let's head back to NoodleTools tab and tell it that we are going to create a citation that comes from a website. And click Create Citation. This is NoodleTools' way of asking you to double check whether you have used a valid website. You did by going to Sweet Search and using the cheat code cite:/.gov or .edu. In our next video, we'll talk about creating the citation itself.